No. You really think you can fix the Ripper's crazy?
I do. My research is quite conclusive. I need both iridium and ordinite. Be sure they don't touch, though, unless you enjoy massive explosions in your face like I do. Excuse me. You'll find both minerals nearby. I can't risk leaving my machine, not with all those tasty basket cases running around.
Your job was as a scientist then? You know, before,
Before what? I mean... I'm a scientist now.
See, and what a scientist you are. What I meant was,
I know what you meant. My current, regrettable state is better than the alternative. I was already researching Ripper psychosis back when I still had my bolt, but a pack of them attacked my lab, ripping anyone they found. So I beat them to the spinal extraction trauma!
You're saying you ripped yourself?
I did. Removing my bolt in a controlled environment allowed me to mitigate some ill effects. But still, my brain surges with delicious juices! It is a curse, but also a blessing. It gave me the final insights needed to create my cure, which will sizzle like a hot meat farm.
Honestly? Loud farms aside, you are quite an inspiring person.
Now I'm crashing mandibles! I'm just scared, but I know it's right.
Now that's a fine mess. Got the ordinance.
You're so beautiful at fighting death. Bring it to me. Or you could go ahead and grab that iridium while you're out.
Tirador versus Tidio. Let's go.
Top down! Just out for
One less number on the field.
You're trying to trick me, yeah?
I lived deliciously.
However many bullets you drop, it ain't enough.
I'ma kill you, loot you, and leave you to bake in the sun!
I am one hell of a runner with this.
As you work for the glory of the faith, know that you and I walk upon the same path, not side by side. We all follow in the golden footsteps of one. Guidance is the envy of swirling galaxies. And yet, how very lucky we are.
Iridium's collected too.
Success! Come on back and let's get this machine started.
¡Estoy volando! Done, and no big boom so far. What now?
Switch flipification! Everything should be prepared. Just flip the switch. Wait, don't flip the switch! Catastrophe pre-voided! I nearly forgot something. Details scream in my dark void these days. We need a simple transmission, unsophisticated processing device to keep the iridium and ordinite from reacting under electric current.
Por supuesto. Where would I pick up one of those?
The chips can be found implanted in the cephalic region of meatheads. There's one raking the flesh leaves outside. Bring me his head, please.
No one kills meatheads better than Rafa. Coming up. This cure. How are you planning to make it happen?
It's a complicated termination of blood.
Ah, the head in question has been found. It's Rafa's turn. What a charmer this guy was. A real feast for the nose, too.
Excellent! Sounds like you got the right guy. Bring me his head!
Not on. Well,
His hearkening stretched my mind! I'm sorry! I can't think with him talking. Can you stop him somehow?
Lo siento, mi amigo.
It boils with stupidity! The chip appears to be intact. The risk of gorgeous cataclysmic explosion should be mitigated. Let's begin. It's safe to flip the first switch.
If you say so.
To God said goodbye because I could not stop for death. He kindly
Brewster's success! It's working! Just as my research predicted, I palpitate with neon excitement. Quickly, increase the power with the next switch.
He knew no haste, and I had put away my labor and my leisure for his humility. We passed the schools where children's grow and recess in the rain. We passed the field
Working! My machine isn't only a success, it's turning this meathead into the universe's most intelligent being. All that's left is the final, perfect step of a record transformation!
only gossamer. My cow, my divinity, only two. We paused before a house
He's cured! I am a glistening godlike genius! Ripper salvation is upon us! Thank you for your help. When I collect my rewards, I'll note your vital contribution. There's so much left to do. I'll cure them all. Cure them in blood!
I'll just leave you with your very messy success
I
there.
think that
Nice to see
the only true wisdom is knowing we are what we repeatedly do.